For those of you who have leases, this video will help you set up leases in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions about this topic, you can leave them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to help you. And of course, if you feel the video helped you, I hope you will click like and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos that come out all the time. What information do you need about a lease? Well, you need a report that shows the total balance of the lease compared to the amount that has already been paid. You need a report that shows the percent the lease is complete. And you need to see, at any moment, how many months remain on the lease. So how do you do that in QuickBooks? Well, a lease is a contract that is satisfied over time. And all contracts that are satisfied over time are put into QuickBooks as estimates. You first make the estimate like you would any other QuickBooks document and put in the lease information. Every month you make an invoice against that estimate, and then QuickBooks will be able to give you the lease information with one click of a mouse. So what are the setup steps? Well, first you have to activate Progress Invoicing in the Account Settings window. We learned about the Account Settings window early on in this course. We click the cog wheel, and then we go all the way to the left, and the top choice is Account and Settings. Now, I think we already did this in the video that we learned about Account and Settings, but if you click Sales and come down to Progress Invoicing, this should say On. If it doesn't, you can click here and change it from On to Off. So you can just click, and then you can uncheck it, it will become off, recheck it, it becomes on, and then click Save. So I think we switched it on, just make sure it's still on, and then you can simply click Done, and then you're out of the Account Settings window. Now, customize and put up the reports that show the progress information about the lease. Now in QuickBooks Online, the report that does that is the Estimates and Progress Invoicing Summary by Customer. Let's just open that up and save it on the customized list. So go back to QuickBooks Online, we click Reports, click Standard, and go down to that one. I think it's not in the Business Overview, it's in Sales and Customers. Here it is, third one down in the left column, in the Sales and Customers category of reports. Estimates and Progress Invoicing Summary by Customer. Let's double click and open it up. Now, of course, it's going to say 0 because we haven't done anything yet. We just want to confirm that it says all dates. Then all we have to do is click Save Customization. Let's agree with the name for now. You could change it to anything you want, but I think I'll leave the default name for now and just click Save. And now when you click Reports and go to Custom Reports, we've added that, and that will tell us our lease progress. And third, make a customized lease document from an estimate template. And there are 4 separate steps to do that. They're each very easy. First, open the Custom Form Styles window. Very simple. Come up and click the cog in the top right, come over to where it says Your Company, and go down to where it says Custom Form Styles. Custom Form Styles. And click here, and you open the Custom Form Styles window. Then, click New Style, specifically for Estimate. So we go to the top right and click New Style, Estimate. Now, we have to name the estimate, and of course this estimate is really a lease. So we're going to click L-E-A-S-E, and that'll be the name of the estimate, or the template of the document that we're going to use when we have a lease. Then click Content, and then you have a choice of editing each of the 3 sections here. So we click the pencil tool, and after you click the pencil tool to edit the top section, on the left you get the fields that you can edit. And where it says estimate, put in the word lease or lease agreement, Leaseagreement. So as you can see, this changes it in the document that will open up. So we will be clicking to open up an estimate, but it will say lease agreement so it's clear for the tenant. Now, that's the only thing we're going to change. I think it's safe if you click the next section so that the top section saves. Now, to save everything else the way you like it, just click Done. And after you click Done, you should see that the template you made for the estimate has now been added to the custom form styles list. Now, the very last step is just, oh, actually, we put the word lease agreement. That was really the third step. We finished that one. But now we have to make it the default. So this new one we just made, click the arrow and choose Make Default. And now we're in a very good position here. So that if we click the plus sign and come all the way to the left and go down to Estimate, we will, and after clicking the word Estimate, you'll notice it still says Estimate up here. That's because it'll only say the word Lease Agreement when it prints. But unfortunately, it won't let you preview unless you add an item and a customer. So add the first customer just as an example customer, add the first item on the list just to satisfy the condition so that you can click Print or Preview. And when you click Print or Preview, you notice in the preview window, aha, it says Lease Agreement. And of course, you would normally fill it out the right way, as we will in the video that follows this one.